College bani piro session part te kini hakane ka video komenta ngan peni ki question paper te menta ngan solve tang jongka general awareness kane ka saw which part the question giron general awareness 100 question jongka sub inspector jongka Meghalaya Homeguard ka baron exam menta ka singi kane te la shai gindon skui exam te ki jiki gin kam don kam te gidon shis part the question te ngadaban solve gitu te ga mathematics but English ting sapej kat bangala ban upload kloy tingin page no question direct markan yara bro nam ta ka kini ki banai one exam ba dem ta ka Meghalaya police rumo chung ko Homeguard but Meghalaya police te hangne ha po Meghalaya Homeguard kadi ka paper 3 general knowledge shispa mark te shispa mark shispa tali question kemud ba shimak kawai question kidon kiti English de arma kawai question hangne bade paper 3 general knowledge spa mark spa tali question kemud ba nadu nomor san poi hadu shispa woi tengene page terter na ada mark lupa ki answer te pila ban page tang ban mentoi kito ki bron kam nam ta kanemo. Who wrote the book My Experiment with Truth? Kanede Mahatma Gandhi. Who wrote the play Romeo and Juliet? William Shakespeare. What year did the Titanic sink in the Atlantic Ocean? 1912. Which portray James Bond in a record of 7 movies? Roger Moore. When is the National Education Day celebrated every year in India? November 11. National Voters Day is celebrated on 25th January. 25th January kasi don jingmara wet manos nem te kono bah. December 10 is celebrated as Human Rights Day. Constitution of India was adopted by Constituent Assembly on 26 November 1949. When is International Yoga Day celebrated? Kanede June 21st. Shajla yoga kitibha. On which date is Good Governance Day celebrated in India? Kanai 25 December. Manus nem long chicken mau wala ngi yoshti namta ka Christmas te ki napo sentar bre ki kwa wan I should ti namta ka Good Governance Days. When was the Food Safety and Standard Act passed in India? 2006. LED is a semiconductor device. Is an abbreviation that stands for light emitting diode. Okay, through them then. Why calculating the child sex ratio, which of the following age group is taken into account? 0 to 6 years. Which one among the following is not covered under Integrated Child Development Program, Family Planning? How many strings does a standard guitar have? 6. Which of the following is not a genre of Indian classical dance? Bhangra. The first ever all-girls Sainik school in India is in Vrindavan. The first newspaper in India was Bengal Gazette. The Mughal building possessing the unique feature of being exactly equal in length and breadth is Taj Mahal. Then who was the first woman to have climbed Mount Everest? Junko Tabei. Which male athlete has won the maximum number of medals in the World Championship in Athletics? Usain Bolt. Who is known as the father of geometry? Euclid. Bronze medal is made up of copper and tin. Sphinx is associated with Egyptian civilization. What is the full form of PDF? Portable document format. BCC in email body stand for blind carbon copy. What is the full form of virus? Vital information resources under siege. The information technology, what does HTML stand for? Refer to hypertext markup language. What is the full form of CAPTCHA? Completely automated public Turing test to tell computers and human apart. GPS is an abbreviation for Global Positioning System. Lunar eclipse occurs when Earth comes between Sun and Moon. H2 ozone layer, which absorbs the ultraviolet radiation, is found in which one of the following layers of the atmosphere? Canada, stratosphere. Terrace farming is done in which of the following types of land? Hilly area, terrace farming. Sundarban in Hooghly Delta is known for mangroves. Which state in India has been celebrated as the first organic farming state? Sikkim. The slogan Liberty, Equality, Fraternity was actually given by the French Revolution. What is the theme of National Voters Day? Canada, nothing like voting, I vote for sure. The provision of National Commission for the Still Tribe are given in which article of the Constitution, Article 388, 338A, in which year UNESCO added Nokrek National Park to its list of biosphere reserve 2009. The Meghalaya High Court was established in the year 2013. Who was the first Inspector General Police in Meghalaya? R.C. Dutt. Chistura Singkai discovered Meghalaya as a scientific name of fish. Loktaklik is situated in the state of Manipur. Which of the following state is known as the land of Red River and Blue Hill? Assam. Then Chapchar Kut festival is celebrated in Mizoram. Myanmar does not share its boundary. Which of the following state? Canada, Sikkim. 4 persons are traveling to different states of India. To whom will you advise to protect oneself from blizzard? The person traveling to Arunachal Pradesh. An example of physical change is dissolving of sugar in water. Rainbow is formed due to dispersion and total internal reflection. Which of the following is an organic gemstone? Pearl. The metal which is easily cut by a simple knife is sodium. Teknik don shispa tali shispa mak kane gere jongka SI sub inspector jongka Meghalaya Homeguard tekan nira pro nam ta Meghalaya police bat nam ta kini ki barang tho exam jongka neka Homeguard I te tangkat nehi tenga sa persyang ban ai kham koloi kini ki question ngan sob shwa tekan nehi khublei shibun.